Hello. So these are questions, these are biology questions that I just want us to revise through together. The first question is saying, so this is a digestion in the jejunum. All these questions are coming from there. So the first question is saying, what is the difference between lactase and lactose? We want to state the difference. What is the difference in this case? So the difference is that by definition, you understand that lactase is an enzyme produced in the small intestines. Its function is just to break down lactose, so the sugar found in milk. So this is to tell you that this one is just a sugar found in milk. So even as I'm teaching you, you are going to come up with your own differences. You need to be writing down your own differences. So they're telling you to state the difference. So I've told you that this is just an enzyme that acts on this. And this one, this is a sugar found in milk. When we go to lactose, so lactose, this is a disaccharide sugar that is composed of two monosaccharides, which are glucose and galactose. But the difference, in summary, we are just saying that lactase is the enzyme that digests lactose. But lactose is a sugar found in milk that requires lactase for digestion. So this is a difference. So you are going to state now where you are going to say that lactose, so this is the answer that I'm writing here. We are saying that lactose, so lactose is the sugar. So is the what? Is the sugar found in milk. Found in what? Found in milk. So you are supposed to include milk there. Found in milk and requires lactase for digestion. I'm going to say, wow, lactase is the enzyme. This is the what? This is the enzyme. So is the enzyme that digests, is the enzyme that digests lactose. You can finish lactose there. You need to put lactose. So that gets to digest lactose. So you can put lactose there. That is lactose. We move to the next question here. Name two enzymes secreted by the jejunum which are contained. So here is supposed to be contained, which are contained in internal juice. So you need to understand that the jejunum gets to secrete this juice that is called the internal juice, and this juice gets to contain some enzyme. So these are four enzymes that are secreted by the what? By the jejunum, that you are supposed to know and understand. So the first one that you need to note, there are quite a lot, there are four of them, so I'm going to list them so that you just know. There is what we call maltase. So this is also an enzyme. What is the function of this enzyme? The function of this enzyme is to break down maltose into glucose. So this is breaking down what? Maltose into glucose. We also have the second one, so I'm just listing these ones. And even as we are listing, I guess you are also getting one or two things. We've got sucrose. This one, you discover that this one gets to convert sucrose, which is a table sugar, into glucose and fructose. We also have the third one. So the question was just name two enzymes. You can name this. You can also put this one. We also have what we call the lactase, the one that I'm just from explaining. This one I've already given you the function. It gets to digest lactose into glucose and the galactose. Then we go to the fourth one. Fourth one, these are called, we get to call them peptidases, like this. So this is the name. So you can just pick this one, this one, this one, or that one. You give two answers. Then we move now to the next one. So what we are supposed to do now is that the question that we have here, the question is saying the enzyme that act on this one called sucrose. What do we call the enzyme that act on sucrose? The enzyme that gets to act on sucrose is just called sucrase, like this. Have you seen? So that is a particular enzyme that you are supposed to know. It is also known as this name, invertase. It is also known as invertase. So this is an enzyme that gets to act on what? Sucrose. Then we move now to the last question. This is our last question. The last question is saying, name the acid formed when the peptidase acts on the polypeptides. So they want you to name the enzyme. The enzyme that is formed there is called amino acid. So I mean the acid that is formed is called amino acids. So we get to call those as amino acids. This is what you are supposed to know and understand. Because this one, the way it is that when these ones that we get to call peptidase, when they act on polypeptides, they break them down into smaller peptides and into individual amino acids. So during this process, carboxylic acids are formed from the carboxyl group of the amino acids. So this is what you are supposed to know. Don't forget that we are here to make sure that you get distinctions in the subjects that you are facing challenges. And this is an opportunity presented before you. In law now, for mathematics, science, or biology, we are here to help you get a distinction. So you can WhatsApp this particular number, WhatsApp on this number, then we are here to help you get a distinction. So you can WhatsApp this particular number. I add you to the group. Your first thing is to make payments, then I add you to the group. Don't forget, I do have a Facebook page. You can follow us on Facebook using this particular name. So this is the name, Harrison J. Zuru Tutor. This is the official Facebook page name. So you can follow me also on Facebook. Make sure you follow me and like the page. Thank you so much. Those of you that are interested in tuitions, this is the number to call. Are you a GCE or you are an internal candidate? We are here to help you answer questions. So this was falling under digestion in the jejunum. And these are the questions that you can expect in an exam. There are quite a lot. This will just open up your mind. So we end here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.